Your eyewitness weather forecast.
Well, as you can see here on the time lapse, we are gray in Utica all day today. There was a tiny little peak of blue sky this afternoon. We actually did have sunshine north of the valley and to the south of the valley today, but we held on to those clouds here in Utica for much of the day. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 30s for us, and that's pretty close to normal for us here on December 1st now. Our normal high temperature 41 and our normal nights this time of the month down in the mid 20s. Now, as the month goes on, that is going to drop. We'll see our normal high in the mid 30s by midway through December, our nights in the lower 20s, and by the end of the month, our normal high temperature right at freezing, 32 degrees, and our nights typically down in the teens. Now, the silver lining to all this is that we will be gaining daylight in just 3 weeks now, and we'll see our earliest sunsets of the year coming up over the course of the next week, and then the sunset starts to get a little bit later and later by the end of the month. Right now, we're sitting at 35 degrees. We do have a little bit of a breeze, 6 miles an hour, so it feels more like 30, and temperatures may drop just a couple of degrees here over the next couple of hours, but then they'll actually be rising as we head toward morning. So temperatures will be in the upper 30s, low 40s by daybreak tomorrow, and we'll get into the 40s area wide. 40 for a high in Old Forge tomorrow, 47 in Utica, and 43 in Cooperstown. We will have some rain coming through and some winds as well, so a little bit of a wind chill factor there tomorrow. If it's your trash day, we may see some cans tipped over nearby tomorrow, but the wind will actually be increasing tomorrow night and into Friday, so we may even see some in the neighbor's yard or down the street tomorrow night into Friday morning as well. Just be aware of that, and your holiday decorations as well. You may want to secure those tomorrow, because tomorrow night and Friday's winds will be causing some of those to get blown about. Now, you'll see on the future cast tonight that we do have some showers that will be moving in, rain in the valley, but we may see some snow and some sleet in the higher hills here in the early part of the overnight hours. Temperatures, though, will be warming as we head into tomorrow. Looks like we'll have a few dry hours tomorrow in the morning, but then showers come in by mid-morning, and those will be off and on throughout the afternoon there. Tomorrow night, we'll have lake effect showers, initially rain in the valley, but then changing over to flurries for everybody later tomorrow night. And we may still have a few flurries here Friday morning, but watch as we roll forward to the afternoon, hopefully getting some sunshine to break out there. It will be very windy and cold Friday, but a little bit of sun at the end of the week will be a nice treat for us after all these cloudy days. So tonight, we're down maybe a couple of degrees from where we are now. Then temperatures rise closer to 40 by daybreak tomorrow. We're up to 47 in the afternoon. We'll see those showers off and on and a breezy day. Very windy tomorrow night and into the day Friday. Friday, we just see a few flurries in the morning. A quiet afternoon, but cold. Our high only 34 there. We'll still be dealing with some snow on Saturday. And we've got good news for Sunday now. Trending drier there. So it looks like we will actually have a one-day break from all the rain and snow action. Temperatures will be closer to 40, and if we get some sunshine to break out Sunday afternoon, we could actually get into the lower 40s. Then we've got another storm coming through Monday, rain and snow, high winds there as well, and we'll be dealing with some flurries and showers after that into the early part, mid part of next week.
Thanks, Colleen. Here's a look at what's coming up tonight on News Nation.
Tonight on Dan Abrams.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Now that we're here kicking off December, we were looking back at the month of November, Dan and I, and it ended up being a pretty even month. We had almost an equal number of days where we were a lot warmer than normal, the red days, and we had about 8 days where we were cooler than normal. One record-breaking day, the 18th, where we hit 63 degrees. But you can see that the month as a whole ended up being pretty even for us. And now as we head into December, we're going to see our normal high temperatures dropping. Today, our normal high in the first of the month, 41. Our nights are in the mid-20s, and as the month goes on, by the time we get to the 15th, our normal temperature drops into the mid-30s. Nights still in the 20s, but by the end of the month, you'll see our high right at freezing, 32 degrees, and our normal nights will be down in the teens. The good news is that we have coming up pretty soon our earliest sunsets of the year. So by the end of the month, the sun will actually be setting later in the evening, and we'll be gaining daylight by the end of the month as well. So something to look forward to there. Now we're sitting at 33 degrees in the valley right now, quite chilly, 20s in the north country, but we do have clouds and showers moving in from the south and a warm front. So temperatures will be rising through the night tonight. We'll actually be into the 40s in Utica by daybreak tomorrow. And in the afternoon, we get well into the 40s, 47, 48 in Ilion tomorrow, 46 in Cooperstown, even 40 up in Old Forge in the north country. So getting a lot of snow to melt off tomorrow with the rain falling and the high winds as well. That's really going to eat away at that fresh snowpack that we've been getting. Now for tomorrow, the wind will be picking up as we go through the day. If you're putting your bin out tomorrow evening, could get tipped over nearby. Winds will be increasing though tomorrow night and into Friday. So we may even see a few down in the neighbor's yard or down the street with some very strong wind gusts expected Thursday night into Friday. You may want to secure your holiday decorations during that time as well. Now you'll see on the Futurecast tonight that we do have some showers coming in, so we're expecting rain in the valley, but we may see a little bit of sleet and snow at the start as well, especially in the hills just outside of the valleys. But temperatures will be rising through the night, like we said, so we will see a change over to all rain. Then here we are tomorrow morning at the start of the day. We'll actually have a few dry hours in the early morning, but by mid-morning we are expecting rain to move in. This will be on and off through the afternoon tomorrow. Temperatures in the 40s, pretty breezy conditions, and then we have a lake effect showers that will be kicking off once that ends. So you'll see here tomorrow evening just before 9 p.m. some rain showers in the valley, some snow to the north and to the south, and then temperatures drop tomorrow night, so we'll eventually be seeing flurries all throughout the area. Not really expecting very much to accumulate here, but we'll still be dealing with clouds and a few flurries Friday morning. The good news is though that we do dry out for Friday afternoon and hopefully get into some good sunshine here in the back half of the day on Friday. You can see that we have more clouds starting to roll in by the evening. Snow will again be possible on Saturday, excuse me. So tonight we're only going to be down maybe a couple of degrees more before we start to rise after midnight tonight. Low 40s by daybreak, mid 40s tomorrow afternoon, and we'll see that rain falling off and on for a breezy day. Very windy tomorrow night and into Friday, which will be a cold and windy day. 34s are high, but that wind chill temperature is going to get us. It's going to feel like the 20s on Friday. Hopefully we'll get some sunshine though. That'll be the silver lining there. More snow we'll be dealing with on Saturday. Again, not much expected to accumulate, but we'll be having some flurries off and on. Sunday is looking better now, drier. Looks like we'll have a break from all the shower activity, but another storm Monday looks to start off as rain, bringing possibly some heavy snow and high winds there early next week with the typical lake effect snow Tuesday after the storm and another storm Wednesday. So still a very busy 7-day forecast, but Sunday we're honing in on that quiet day. Good day for to do the holiday decorating if
Absolutely.
you haven't yet. And one quiet day because it's very busy.
Thanks, Colleen. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News at 10, our sports director David Edelstein has a recap of tonight's Comets game. That's next.
This weather forecast.
Well, we were unlucky in Utica today. Clouded in all day long, but there was some sunshine in the north country and just south of the Mohawk Valley as well. Temperatures in the 30s for much of the day today. And now we have just seen our temperatures starting to rise again, though we do have a little bit of snow on the radar. It's very light right now, mostly down south of Route 20, Cherry Valley with a little bit of a flurry heading in right now. But temperatures will be rising through the night tonight. This is actually a warm front that will be moving in, so you'll see the areas that will be seeing a little bit of snow, maybe some sleet, will change over to rain later on tonight as temperatures warm. And in the valley, it'll be just too warm likely to see that snow. We're at 34 degrees in Utica right now. A little bit of a breeze out of the east-southeast, so it does feel more like the 20s, but we've hit our low, and now temperatures will continue to rise through the night tonight. We'll be close to 40 by daybreak tomorrow, and we'll top out in the mid-40s in the afternoon, 47 in Utica, 45 in Cooperstown, even 40 in Old Forge tomorrow afternoon. With the rain falling, temperatures in the 40s and high winds, we're going to see what little snowpack we do have getting eaten away very quickly, especially tomorrow night. Now you see here on the wind forecast, the wind speed is along the bottom, so this is starting overnight tomorrow night. We'll see wind speeds sustain 19, 17 miles an hour, and we are windy right on through the day on Friday. We'll be dealing with some lake effect snow just Friday morning and then hopefully clearing out, but still dealing with that wind later in the day. So let's look at how that plays out tonight. We've got some rain showers in the valley, a little bit of snow, maybe some sleet just outside. Eventually, though, warming up for us. And in the early part of the morning tomorrow, looks like we'll have a couple of dry hours there. But by mid to late morning, rain moves in. We'll see showers off and on in the afternoon tomorrow afternoon with the breezy conditions. And then tomorrow night, windy means that we'll have some rain showers, but then changing back over to snow showers as temperatures drop, dealing with some lake effect flurries here late tomorrow night and early Friday morning. Does look, though, later in the day on Friday, we may have a chance to get into some good sunshine. We'll still have a few clouds, so fingers crossed that even in the valley, we'll be able to enjoy a little bit of sunshine there on Friday afternoon. Tonight, we have already hit our low. Temperatures will be rising towards 40 degrees, low 40s by daybreak tomorrow. We have that chance of showers tonight. Rain off and on through the day for us tomorrow. Will be quite breezy, 10 to 20 miles an hour, but it'll get even windy overnight tomorrow night. You want to make sure your holiday decorations are secured. We'll stay windy on Friday, and then we're expecting high winds again early next week. So a good idea to make sure those are good and secure. Friday's a cold and windy day. Our high only 34, but the wind chill temperatures will be well into the 20s for much of the day. We do have a chance for some more flurries on Saturday. A little bit of snow off and on. Not much accumulating, though, maybe 1 to 2 inches at most. Sunday looks like a nice quiet day, a good break from all the rain and snow, so try to enjoy it if you can. We are looking at a strong storm Monday, starts as rain, then turns to snow. That could mean several inches of snow for us. A cold, snowy, windy Monday afternoon, and we'll still be dealing with lake effect Tuesday with another storm Wednesday. So another busy pattern we'll be right back into next week, it looks like.
Storm after storm after storm.
It's December now, so here we go. This is typically our snowiest month of the year. We'll see. It's going to be a little bit warmer than normal, it looks like, so we'll see if it turns out that way.
All right, well, thanks, Colleen. There's more Eyewitness News coming up after the break.